Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll be installing some LED lights on the 2018 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport. Come on, let's begin. All right, so this one will be the one that we will install on the brake lights or the tail light section of the Tacoma. These are the Lasfit L2 series. So if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description below. You can also use my discount code that will save you some money when you purchase it. All right, so again, I'll put those in the description below. And again, this is the 7443R, meaning it's for red. These are red. So yeah, so we'll be installing this later. For this one, they said that they have some new LED technology on this one. It will have a much brighter light, of course, from halogen, and that's for sure. All right, and then they have a US customer support in case that you need support with these lights. All right. All right, so we're gonna need a 10mm wrench to remove this. All right, so once we remove the bolts, all we need to do is pull the housing. Okay, so now we need to remove this. So grab it from the bottom here and let's try to wiggle it while pulling it out. There you go. So now the one in the bottom, there's still a clip holding it here. There you go. So pull it here in the corner. So there you go. So we just need to access the plugs. So the brake light will be here. Twist it. There you go. And you have access. So just remove this bulb and replace it with the new Lasfit LEDs. All right, so with this one, let's plug it in. And we're gonna test it first outside of the housing to make sure that it lights up. So let's try that. All right, so that's the park light. There you go. So it works. Now let's compare it. Halogen or incandescent versus LED. Let's go. All right, so with this one, definitely the LED is much brighter. Yeah. So this is the incandescent. This is the LED. Now let's try the brakes. Nice. As you can see there, the intensity of the LED is a lot better than the incandescent. So yeah. So I'll complete the other side and I'll show you the finished product. All right, so this is the end result of replacing the brake light on the Tacoma. So let's try to brake it right now. All right, so you see again the intensity of the brake lights, it's a lot better now. So I like it.